Alright, asking you to multiply these rational expressions. This one took me a little bit longer, a little more involved here. I got 64x cubed plus 1 over 4x squared minus 100 times 4x squared plus 20 over 64x squared minus 16x plus 4. See what you can do. Alright, remember when we did this, you could multiply straight across the top. That'd be FOIL on top. You could FOIL across the top, then you could multiply straight across the bottom. Couldn't FOIL down here because this is a binomial and trinomial, but you could distribute to everything, and then you could try to reduce using division. That's an option. Easier to me to if I could factor it first and then get to ninja some stuff out and then just multiply what's left. So, still all four pieces of this can factor. My top left, that's a sum of cubes. The cube root of 64x cubed will be 4x. The cube root of 1 is 1. So I'm going to plug that in my sum of cubes for me. I'm going to do that pretty quick. You need to have that sum of cubes pattern down pretty good by now. Cube A will be 4x plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. Okay, so that's how the top left would factor. Bottom left, it's difference of squares like it is, but I need to take that 4 out first. So if you take a 4 out of that, it's going to leave you with x squared minus 25. And then that can break down using difference of squares. So it's going to be 4 times, right here, this is x plus 5, x minus 5. Now, quick on that factoring, but that's long ago stuff. We've got to still be able to factor. All right, over here on the top left, 4x plus 20. I can take a 4 out of that. So that's the top right. I do know my right and left. So that would leave me with x plus 5. Okay, here on the bottom right, first thing I notice is it's got a 4 in common. So I'm going to divide it all by 4. 64x squared divided by 4 is 16x squared. Negative 16x divided by 4 is negative 4x, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now, if I can ninja anything top and bottom, this is the time to do it. First off, I notice these trinomials are the same. 16x squared minus 4x plus 1, 16x squared minus 4x plus 1. Shh, shh, they gone. Right here, I got some 4s while I'm at it. 4 and 4, shh, they gone. X plus 5, x plus 5, shh, they gone. So, on the top, I've got 4x plus 1. On the bottom, I've got 4 times x minus 5. So I'm going to distribute that 4 on the bottom. So that'll make 4x minus 20. It's minus 20. That's it. Some good ninja math in there. I like it.